Now, here's your Storm Tracker weather forecast with meteorologist Ed McIntosh.
Welcome back. This is where temperatures started off this morning. I mentioned the 9 degrees in Billings, 10 in Miles City and Livingston, and also in Sheridan, Wyoming. Graybull came in at 11 above, 11 below in Havre this morning by comparison, with some teens and 20s towards the west and some single digits across the eastern plains extending over into North Dakota. 20, yes, right now in Glasgow after starting the day at 0. 20 degrees also in Jordan, with the 19 in Billings and Cody, 30 in Livingston. One of the warmer spots, but we've also got a little bit of a breeze, so it of course adds to the wind chill value. Now, as we start getting through the evening hours, we've had some scattered light snow here across western Montana, and that's going to continue to affect that region. We're in this deep trough of low pressure here, so the jet stream cutting here through the Four Corners region, producing some showers and some strong to severe storms once we start looking into the central and southern plains. That's going to continue to influence that area as our weather system shifts off a little more towards the east. So here's how things are looking for us in the short term. Our weather system starting to leave. That means the chance of snow decreases, but it also clears out the sky. Some scattered light snow over in western Montana. With that clearing sky, that moisture that's around, we'll likely see some areas of fog first thing in the morning. Patchy fog across the region, and another morning of very cold temperatures. As the low shifts away from us, we'll be left with the chilly readings, a lot of readings single digits, even below 0 in some cases tomorrow morning. Western Montana will still feel the influence of this next system coming in, producing at least some higher elevation snow and maybe a little rain snow mix for the lower elevations. Now, as it continues to push across, areas from Billings to the west could pick up a few stray showers tomorrow, but the overall influence is going to be after the cold start to start to warm up a little bit. We'll see more readings into the 30s all the way up into the mid 40s across the eastern plains tomorrow, and then hold into those 30s and 40s again as we get into Saturday. As that weather system comes through, it should clear the sky out, so we'll be generally sunny to partly sunny over the course of the next couple of days. Here's how it looks for us regionally. Overnight tonight, looking for temperatures not quite as cold in northern Montana, but certainly some single digits above and below 0 in southern Montana. Western Montana will feel the influence of that next weather system, bringing in that chance of snow. Patchy fog first thing in the day, and of course we could see some areas with some slick driving conditions early in the morning as well. Morning temperatures will be mainly in the single digits. Just add a little bit of a breeze and it's going to feel wind chill values pushing down to around 0 or a little below first thing tomorrow. And a few of these mountain showers will continue to develop through the overnight hours and then into tomorrow as well. Daytime highs for Friday starting to move up. Temperatures will start to move into the 30s to even mid 40s. We will feel the influence of some wind down the East Mountain slopes. It's not going to be a windy day at all around the Billings area. A little breeze from time to time, but it certainly will help with the warm up by the time we start getting later in the day. And then notice later in the afternoon, we start to see that chance of showers start to develop. And statewide, more chance of showers in western Montana, but overall you just see these streaks of showers starting to move across the region with that disturbance. But the overall is a warmer and drier day, except for some of the high elevations. Temperatures will be climbing back up. In fact, we could be above average readings as we get in towards the middle of next week. There's a look at the weather. Back to you, Janelle.
All right, thanks so much, Ed.